Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to talk about dictionaries. Okay, so just to give you a backgrounds, dictionaries are lists which have keywords. Okay, we use keywords to access objects. So this is very useful sometimes. So let's just start by creating a dictionary. So I'm gonna call it uh, my dict, okay, which would be a dictionary actually. To create a dictionary we use curly brackets, okay. So if I call type my dict, I'm gonna have uh, the class which is dict, okay, or dictionary. So my dictionary, let's to add an item we're gonna use let's see which functions are available. We have clear, copy from keys, get items, keys, pop items, set, default, update, and values. So to add a value, we're gonna use update, and to add an item, we're gonna use this notation, okay, which means that we're gonna give a key and a value. So let's add a key. We're gonna add a person, okay, for instance Anna, and we're gonna pass her age, okay. So the key is the person, the value is her or his age. So 26, as you guys can see. If I call my dictionary, I'm gonna see that I have Anna 26, which doesn't show much, but if I want to access Anna's age, I just need to do the following, okay. Between square brackets I pass Anna, and as a return it returns her age. So that's how basically dictionary works. If I want to create a dictionary which develops my dictionary, I can do something like this, okay. I can do Anna again equal 26, comma Steve age 34. Let me see, Brian age 45. And if I do that and I call my dictionary, I'm gonna see the following. And if I want to access for instance Brian's age, I need to do that, okay. So that's the basics of a dictionary, guys. I hope you like it. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, okay. I'm gonna stop right here and see you guys next time.